what I do is I go to breakout room. I click on the breakout room. Now you sat down, so what I'm seeing in the breakout room is I can assign participants into 1, 2, I can increase or decrease the number of rooms. I can do it automatically or manually. I'm only going to make it 1 room because there's only 1 person. Then I'm going to click on create breakout room. So now I've created a breakout room. Dana, did you, and I'm going to open it. And are you going to join it?
Yes, I'm going to join it.
Okay. Because when Dana joins it, she should be disappearing from my screen. So now she's in her breakout room. So I'm clicking back on breakout room. Or, oh, no, I see. And I'm asking, I'm going to join. I don't get an option. I'm just saying yes. It's going to tell me I'm going into the room. And voila, now I'm in your breakout room. So now you can put in as many people as you want. Now I'm leaving the breakout room, returning to the main session, which is somewhere on my screen. When I click on breakout room again, I'm going to close all the rooms. And apparently I have it set for 60 seconds. But you're already back. And